How to stop Do Not Disturb from turning on automatically. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In here, click on Sound and Vibration. After that, in here you'll find Do Not Disturb option. Click on Do Not Disturb. Then, in Do Not Disturb, you'll find Turn on automatically. Click on Turn on automatically. As you can see, I have two options turned on automatically. So simply uncheck all the options if there are any. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to stop Do Not Disturb from turning on automatically. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.